Following on from my previous tip, another important tip when strength training is making sure that you use a suitable weight for the exercise that you are doing. Because if you use a weight that is too light, or you are just cruising through your exercises,
9001!
you are just wasting your time and not challenging yourself enough. However, if you use a weight that is too heavy and you use bad form to complete the exercise, it's a great way to break your back.
Oh, my back!
Or injure other joints and muscles, along with taking the focus away from the target muscle you should be working, minimizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Therefore, when choosing the weight you are lifting, you must use a weight that challenges you to complete the desired number of repetitions while allowing you to perform the exercise through its full range of motion at the desired tempo without cheating or using momentum. Now listen to this again and again, because it's exactly how you should be choosing your weight every time.